How to download WhatsApp status on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to download WhatsApp status videos on your iPhone even though there is no official save button. So let's get started. First, as you have to just use the screen recording feature on your iPhone. For that, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. From here, if you find any recording option, you can simply turn it on. If you not find it, you can simply add it by tapping on the option plus icon at the top left. From here, simply tap on add a control, and from here search for the record here. After you find a screen record, tap on that and you can simply add it from there. After you add and start recording on your iPhone, you'll have to open WhatsApp with your account, and from here you'll have to just open that bio whom you want to download. After you fully record that video or WhatsApp status on your iPhone, you can simply open your Photos app, and from there you can customize, crop it or re-edit it. After you done it, you can simply save it to your iPhone, and this is the method. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.